Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really clean 2013 Yamaha V-Star 650. This bike is in really nice shape. 650cc liquid cooled V-twin with the 5-speed. Beautiful white metallic paint, real nice tank graphic on it. All the chrome looks good. Paint looks good on it. Lower fork legs. Nice black aluminum powder coated spoke mag wheels. Front fender looks real nice. Don't see any kind of chips or scratches on it. Tank's real clean. Nice saddle with a passenger pad back there and passenger backrest. Luggage rack. Belt drive bike. Got a new tire on the back. We put that on in our shop. We have a full service department that we run our bikes through and check out to make sure they're ready to ride, and this one is. Nice detachable windshield up here. Rider floorboards. (2013) with 7,945 miles. Fuel injected bike. Pops right off. No engine noise, no smoke, none of that business. Really a sweet ride. Make an excellent first bike or commuter bike. Got a fairly low seat height. I don't know how many inches, but it sits pretty low. Factory exhaust. It's a 2-into-1 exhaust. Sounds good. It's pretty quiet. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some good financing and extended warranty options. Up to 3 years, I think, on the warranty. You can see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. You can take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world. This would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.